So today we're working on the RSX finally. I've been waiting for a while because every day is just something new. Either the weather is bad or something else. But today we're working on the RSX. Shout out to the dude that I copped it from, because without him, man, this project wouldn't be possible right now. This is what we got going on. Yeah, there's a lot of work to get done, as you can see here. You know what I'm saying? Solid motor mounts, because we ain't no bitch. You already know what it is. So today we'll be installing the headers right here. Install the headers, and hopefully I can get to the exhaust. If I can't, so I'm just gonna see what I can get to today. This is how she's sitting at the moment on some stock RSX wheels. And I need to go get the jack stands to keep this shit up so I don't fucking kill myself. Nice, say less. So, me, Eli, lowered the car last night, and it's just straight scrape city. Listen to this.
Like the Tower of Pisa from Messina. Sweating like we under a heater, it's hot in here.
Like me and Eli, we was working on the car all night, and we was like, yo, fuck it, bro, I'm just gonna have to drive home like this. And now I gotta drive to work like this too. This shit is crazy, just rubbing under the fucking fender and shit. Yo, bro, my tires are gonna be so fucked.
Yeah, that's why I was asking. I was like, yo, them shit's fitting the TL?
Nigga, the same shit that I was finna buy.
So what you think of it, man?
I fuck with these.
Fuck with them?
Yeah, they better than the fucking bullshits on the RSX right now.
Bullshits.
Damn, my nigga. That's that sewer nut. It's like, that is country nut. That's motherfucking tree nut, nigga. Look, motherfucking tree nut right here.
That's from being parked under my tree.
Tree nut.
Yeah. So what?
Child.
Who's Chad, man?
A child.
What about kids?
You're a child.
You said you want a kid?
You're a fucking child.
You said you like dick?
A balancing system? Right here. Check it, a built-in balancing system?
Oh, for the headlights?
Yeah, that's hard.
I guess.
It's alive! Yo, why you turn it off, bro?
You said do it again.
Oh yeah, alright, do it again.
Fucking dumbass.
Alright guys, we're about to get the first start. Turn that thing on, Eli. Come on, bro, turn it on, bro.
You're a bitch.
That's Jordan shit. Alright. Let's go, first start, man. Whoa. Whoa, yo. Yo, Eli. Whoa. First start, man. How do you feel about this accomplishment?
Fire, bro. I
Wow.
got this shit up and running, bro.
Crazy.
Stop zooming in on my face, bro.
I'm sorry,
You
bro.
hear that?
Sounds like happiness.
That shit still sound worse than mine, bro.
Wow, Eli. You used to try this around, man. Damn, this was before the prelude days, man.
Yeah.
Wesley, dumb as fuck, guys.
Bruh.
What?
Suck my dick, nigga. Maybe I put this one.
Yo, nigga, get the camera on my face, bro.
We out here, you feel me? Look around. It's crazy, bro. I'm about to go crazy tonight.
Go for a walk. This nigga Mark. Y'all go for a walk?
Nah, I'm too chopped. I'm homeless right now, nigga. Y'all put it around me? Y'all put a snake around me before.
Yes, sir. Oh nah, I need it next. Damn, that's wild.
You like me?
Oh, you stuck? You stuck? Nah, I gotta see that.
Yeah, for real. Florida, nigga.
Bro, I gotta see that, bruh. Yeah.
I appreciate it, man.
Damn.
This nigga smoking a black, bro? The fuck? Yo, what you doing, bro?
Who is?
What you doing, bro?
You see the Challenger?
I'm on a fucking roller coaster right now, nigga.
Why?
I don't know why things want to cut into us. Go, go, Power Rangers.
Go, go, Power Rangers!
Okay, Mark with the stick shift.
I don't know, nice with it.
Okay, Mark with the stick. Okay. Okay, that's clean. See the do that?
What? Ooh. Yeah, this nigga cut me a prelude. 4 bands on the prelude. About to call her Kylu. Fuck you talking about? She said real low. That's what I like about her. And she black. With the hood latches. With the GNC wheels and that. Ooh. And that fit me so real. Can I slide down the butter? What? Tryna give a coochie fella?
Come on, Marky boy. Do your thing.
I forgot how to use this dude.
This nigga say you gotta use that shit. Hey, you know what you doing, bro?
I forgot how to regulate it. Wait.
Bro. It's twist the knobs.
I forgot what you... Espérate, maricón, ven acá. Que no utilizas esa mierda hace rato.
You don't know what you doing.
¿Cómo se regular?
So today, we are working on the Civic, as you can see. We're getting this shit ready for sale, nigga. But there's a bunch of imperfections, as you can see. Car's not perfect, but ain't nothing that can't be fixed, you know what I'm saying? Nigga, your face look about shiny as fuck, nigga.
Cuz I got a shiny ass face.
Shit. Ooh, that nigga wavy, cuz. Ooh, that nigga nappy, cuz.
Damn.
Show the waves, yo. Yo, that nigga wavy too. That's crazy.
Chill, cuz I just brushed. That's
Mighty Morphin Power